Okay, so welcome to all of you. Now we'll see what do we mean by a linear differential equation of order 1 now. Okay, a differential equation of the form dy by x plus p of x times y is equal to f of x, where both p of x and f of x are only functions of x. Then this differential equation is called a linear differential equation of order 1 or first order or linear first order differential equation. Okay, so if f of x is equal to 0, then it is called homogeneous linear differential equation of order 1, and if f of x not equal to 0, then it is not homogeneous linear differential equation of order 1. Okay, if y is equal to 0 is the solution of this homogeneous equation, right? Y is equal to 0. This is a trivial solution because what? If you put y, if dy by dx is equal to 0, so that means what? Y is equal to 0 easily satisfy this differential equation. So it is called a trivial solution. That means y is equal to 0 is always the solution of the homogeneous differential equation. So it is called a trivial solution. A solution other than y is equal to 0 of this equation is called non-trivial solution. Okay. So now we will see some examples of first order linear differential equation. We will identify whether this is linear differential equation or not. Okay. So now one more thing is what? Suppose this dy by dx is equal to f of xy upon g of xy is such type of the function. Okay, if f is a homogeneous function, g is a homogeneous function. You know that how to check the function homogeneous. Okay, f is homogeneous means what? F of tx ty is equal to t raised to n f of xy. If this happen, and g of xy, g of tx ty is equal to t raised to n g of xy. What is the t raised to m? Suppose no need whether they are of the same order is not the condition. Okay, so if this happen, f is a homogeneous function and g is a homogeneous function. Okay, so then we say that it is a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, this is a homogeneous differential equation. Now we'll do the problems. We'll check whether this is a linear differential equation or not. Okay, now suppose we have this equation x square dy by dx plus 3y is equal to x square. Okay, next, okay, we'll write all the examples here. X dy by dx minus 8x square y is equal to sin x. 3 x dy by dx plus ln x y is equal to 0. 4 dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to x square y minus 2 minus 5 x dy by dx plus 3y square is equal to twice x. 6 y dy by dx is equal to 3. 7 dy by dx is plus x e raised to y is equal to 12. We'll check whether it is a linear differential equation or not. We'll check whether it is a linear differential equation or not. Okay. Now see, I can write this equation. Dy by dx. I can divide by this x square. Okay. Because I know this differential equation what? Dy by dx plus p of x times y is equal to f of x. Okay. So this is a linear differential equation that I know. Okay. So whether I can convert that equation in this form, if not, then this will be not a linear differential equation. So I don't want x square, I have to divide by x square. So plus what? 3 upon x square y is equal to 1. Okay. 1 is constant, it is a function of y, it is a function of x, whatever. Okay. So this is of the form dy by dx plus p of xy is equal to f of x. So this is a linear differential equation. Okay, now here you don't want x now. So I can write dy by dx minus 8xy is equal to sin x upon x. Okay, again see whatever this minus doesn't matter for this minus plus. Okay, you may write here minus also, no problem for this minus p of x, that is also because minus p of x is your new p of x. Okay, so this is I can write this p of x only function of x. So minus 8x is your p of x. Okay, so that is what this is of the form dy by dx plus p of x times y is equal to f of x. So this is the linear differential equation. Okay, so linear differential equation. Now what about this? So this you don't want x now here. So I can write this is dy by dx plus ln x upon x times y is equal to 0. Okay, so your constant, this is 0 here. Now this is what y is here. Okay, this is of the form dy by dx plus p of x times y is equal to f of x. So f of x is 0, no problem. This is the linear differential equation. This is the linear differential equation. What about this? I can write this minus here. So what we get? Dy by dx minus x square y is equal to minus 2. Okay, so this is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q is equal to f of x. So this is also linear differential equation. What about this? What about this? So this is what dy by dx plus 3 upon x y square is equal to twice x is equal to twice x. So now see here. So this is okay, but this is y square. This is not a y square is there. Okay, y square is there. So this is not linear differential equation. You don't want the power of y here, and there is no product of y and dy by dx also. There is no product of y and dy by dx. If there is a product of y and dy by dx, it will be not a homogeneous. So this is not homogeneous because it is a product of y and dy by dx. So if in a differential equation, if there is a product of y and dy by dx or any power of the any power or any function attached with that y, dependent variable. This is dependent variable. Okay. So if any function is attached to the dependent variable or powers of y is there or product of the dependent variable and the dy by dx, that will be not a linear differential equation. So this is the product of dy and dy by dx. So this is not a linear differential equation. Here what? Here what? So here e raised to y is there. Your dependent variable is what? E raised to y is there. So this is not a linear differential equation. This is not linear differential equation. Okay. We'll see one more examples on it now. We'll check whether this is linear differential equation or not. Okay. Now suppose we have this equation dy by dx is equal to x plus y upon x minus y. Okay. So now this is homogeneous. This is homogeneous differential equation. Okay. So this is homogeneous. Okay. Like okay. So what is this? Is homogeneous. Homogeneous differential equation. Okay. Because what here? This is your numerator and denominators are same as this is the homogeneous function of degree 1. This is also homogeneous function of degree 1. Okay. So this is homogeneous differential equation. Okay. Is it a linear differential equation? Is it a linear differential equation? See, if you shift this x minus y, this there is a product of y and dy by dx. So not linear differential equation. Not linear differential equation. Is not a linear differential equation. Okay. Okay. So this differential equation is what? Homogeneous differential equation. This is not linear differential equation. Okay. Next. Next we will see x dy by dx plus y is equal to x square. What is this then? Dy by dx plus 1 upon xy is equal to x now. Okay. This is what? Linear differential equation. This is linear differential equation. Okay. Now next, this is second problem. This is the first problem. This is the third problem. Dy by dx is equal to minus y minus x upon 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. How we can write this? We can write this is what? dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x square y minus x upon 1 plus x square. I can write this. I can shift the l. So this is what then dy by dx plus 1 upon 1 plus x square y is equal to minus x upon 1 plus x square. Okay. So now see, this is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to f of x. So this is what linear differential equation. This is linear differential equation. Now next, this is dy by dx is equal to x plus y plus 3 upon x plus y, x minus y plus 7 suppose. Okay, is it a linear differential equation? No, this is not a linear differential equation, because if you shift this, then there is a product of y and dy by dx. So this is not linear differential equation. Now this is also not homogeneous differential equation. This is also not homogeneous differential equation. Okay. So now this is not homogeneous. Third one, this is not homogeneous. Okay, no, not homogeneous is enough now, because constant term is there. Here what the constant term is not there, x plus y. So if this is what dy by dx is equal to x plus xy upon x minus xy, suppose like this, x y square, suppose this. This is also not a homogeneous differential equation. This is non-homogeneous differential equation. This is non-homogeneous differential equation. Okay, this is also not a linear differential equation also. I hope that you understand this. How to check whether the differential equation is linear or not. Okay. So now we'll stop here. Thank you.